Hi friends, if you are facing problem like your laptop screen stuck or freeze, then in this video I will share 3 methods through which you can solve this issue. Let's get started. Method number 1, press Shift plus Ctrl plus Win plus B keys together to reset your graphic drivers. If this method does not work, then try the second method. Press Alt plus Ctrl plus Del keys. After that, click on Task Manager. Now here, scroll down till you see Windows Explorer. Right-click on Windows Explorer, and then click on Restart. This will restart Windows Explorer. See your problem solved or not. If not, then try the third method. In the third method, press or hold power button for 10 to 15 seconds so that all the power drain from the laptop. After 15 seconds, leave the power button and wait for a few seconds and then turn on your laptop. After apply this step, your laptop will start normally and fixes the screen freezing and stuck problem. These are the 3 methods through which you can solve this laptop screen freeze or stuck problem. Please do comment which method works for you, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching.